Hello everyone. In this quick tip, I'm going to show you how to speed up your rigging workflow in Cinema 4D. Let's get into it. As you can see here, I have a mesh, a backpack which has been rigged, and we have SO controllers here. So these controllers now can't move the rig because they're not binded. For us to bind a rig, we have to select our bones. So select the bones which you want to rig. I have a few bones here, as you can see in my scene. Hold down Control and select your bones. As you can see in the viewport, I have selected these bones. These bones are for the straps, the back straps for the back of this backpack. Once we've selected our bones, let's select our mesh. Now we've selected our mesh, we have to now bind our bones to our mesh. We go to our character model and go to bind. If you cannot see any effect or any change taking place, go to character, go to manager and weights manager. Once you've now selected weights manager, you can see how the weight map has been created through the binding function. However, it seems that Cinema 4D did not isolate the selections or the weight map to the place where I wanted the bones to bind. I wanted the bones to just bind in this particular area, the strap area. With this quick and simple solution I show you, we can isolate where we want our binds to go, our weight maps to be created. Let's make a selection where we want our weight maps to be isolated. Hover over our faces, polygon faces function here. Make sure your mesh is selected. Now, let's select the area where we want to make our polygon selection. We can go select over here and press loop selection. I just want to select the straps. Hold down Shift. And start selecting the areas where you want the selections to be. Remember to press Ctrl Z to undo a selection. I think that area is good enough. This is exactly the area or the selection that I want for my bind and my weight maps to be created. For us to store our selection, we go to Select and select Store Selection. Now this will store our selection here. We can find the selections over here in this area. This is where selections will be managed. Once we've done that, we can now bind our bones to our mesh again. Remember, this weight icon here, we have to delete it, for this is our old weight map. Select our old weight map and delete it by pressing backspace. Now let's reselect our bones. Find where your bones are located. Remember to hold down Control to select our bones. Once we've selected all our bones, let us go over to the character module again and bind our mesh by pressing bind. Now an icon will appear, a new icon will appear again. If we now go to our character and go to our weights manager, we shall see now our bones and a new weight map has been created. As you can see, it's isolated the area in where we wanted our bones to affect. This is really great, as Cinema 4D does a great job in calculating where the bones and where the selections are taking place. Let's select one of the controllers that I've made previously. Wow, as you can see, it works very well. Let us put a subdivision surface. over our mesh to smoothen the shape. Really looks good. Let's select our controller again. Really good. It moves very well. So I hope this helps, as now we can isolate our weight maps on our mesh with using selections in Cinema 4D. I hope this helps and you can use it in your projects. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.